In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Search, find your work. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to quickly locate tasks, refine results with advanced search, and save your favorite views to the sidebar so you can get back to them in a click. First, log into Asana. Once you're in, look to the top of your screen for the search bar. This is your starting point for finding anything: tasks, projects, messages, and more. Click the bar and simply start typing keywords, maybe a task title, a project name, or a phrase from a description. As you type, Asana instantly suggests matching items. If you want a broader view of all results, press Enter to open the full results page. When you need more precision, click into the search bar and choose Advanced Search. This opens a powerful panel where you can add filters to narrow things down. Use Assign to focus on who's responsible, project to limit results to a single initiative, due date to catch what's urgent, attachments to find items with files, and completion status to toggle between open and completed work. These filters stack so you can combine them to zero in on exactly what you need. Try a few focused examples to get the feel for it. Search for Assign equals me to see work on your plate. Use project equals launch to view everything tied to your launch project, or filter by due date equals tomorrow to isolate what needs attention next. Combine filters to get targeted results, like your tasks in the launch project due tomorrow. After you run an advanced search you like, don't lose it. Star the search result to save it to your sidebar for quick, repeat access. This is perfect for views you'll revisit often, like my overdue tasks or team tasks with attachments. Speaking of the sidebar, use it as your command center. From here, jump between your teams, projects, inbox, and goals without retracing steps. You can also star important projects or saved searches to pin them to the starred section at the top of the sidebar. Starred items stay within easy reach so you can get into a flow faster. Need more room on your screen? Click the 3 dots or the arrow icon to collapse the sidebar when you want extra workspace and expand it again when you're ready to navigate. Finally, remember that your starred searches and projects live right in the sidebar. Click any of them to open the relevant view immediately. With quick search, advanced filters, and starring, you'll always know exactly where your work lives in Asana.